One. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So today I came up with a content. The website cognizance360.com wrote an article in which Udemy courses offered a new course which is make money from home. Those who want to build an online business, those who want to build an online courses, they can learn this skill. The link for the website is given in the description box. You can go and check it out. Here is a link for this course which will be redirected to udemy.com. Here you can enroll for free, by which after completing the certificate you will get after completing the certification, it's you should add it to your resume, or it will be enhance your career, and mainly it focuses on the skill by which you can build an online business. So this is all. See you in next video. Adios.